this is Nevaeh. So today we will do a Malasana pose. So it's also called as Garland pose. So this pose is very easy, but the benefits are many. So first benefit, it opens your groin area and your hip. Second, it helps for digesting. Third, tones up your abdominal area. So, well guys, I want to tell you something very important. Who have back pain and knee pain should not do this exercise. So let's begin. So first, separate your legs between 6 to 8 inches and make sure your feet are outwards. And then slowly sit down and then come into a squat position. And then when you are balanced and fine with this position, join your hands and now let's breathe inside. Now outside. So guys, let's do it 10 to 15 times. People who are not comfortable, they can take a wall support. So now you have to come in a chair pose and come up. And do it again and again. So when you are comfortable, you can come down. And then now we have to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Guys, just to make you more comfortable, I have taken some cushions. So now, we'll go down in a squat position and we will be comfortable and then join our hands. Now we will breathe in, breathe out. So you can do it till 10 till 15 times. So guys, if this Malasana helped you, so if you like this Malasana pose, so please give me a please do subscribe and like. Bye.